What's really good, people? Welcome back. Axtuo is back at me. I got this 2019 RAV4 Toyota, okay? So if you have the cars between 2019 and 2022, I want to say 2023, but we'll see though. I'm gonna put it between 2019 and 2022. How to do the oil change, and how to reset the oil life. So come with me. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, share, and comment, all that. Shout outs to everybody, the whole planet, gang, clan, all that. I like your boys too, boom, clocking in. You see it, you see what's good. You come over here. This is how you open the hood right here. Alright, right below the steering wheel. You see the vibes. Come over here, right in the middle. The latch. Push it to the left. Now in this case, you're gonna have to use a kickstand, alright? Okay. Now here the oil cap, and it doesn't tell you what type of oil right here. Usually it tells you, right? Not in this one, okay? Windshield fluid reservoir, coolant reservoir, fuse box and relay, oil dipstick. This is how you measure the oil. Engine air filter, battery, motherboard, another relay and fuse box, brake fluid reservoir. Let's go to the bottom and do this. Find the oil drain plug. All right. Come to the bottom. You see this cover right here. It has 4 bolts that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 millimeter socket. All right, for these bolts. Let me give you some light though, because it's kind of low. Maybe like this. Better like that, maybe. All right. 1, 2, 3. You don't have to remove this. You can swing it though. You know, I just remove it though. 4. Alright. Now, this one is easier though. Now come with me, I show you. Here's the oil drain plug right here, okay? And right here, this is the oil filter. Alright. So let's do this oil change. I'm gonna use a 14 millimeter socket for this oil drain plug, okay? Just like that, pop. Don't get a splash. Okay. What you think about that oil? Is it dirty, clean? Let me know. I'm gonna let it drain because a lot of people are like, yo, you didn't let the oil drain the oil. You didn't drain the oil all the way. Come on, Cole. This is what I do. Take my jacket off. Start getting hot in here. How you doing, guys? Welcome back. I'm trying to switch the intro a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Because sometimes you gotta switch it up. If you wanna arrange I mean, if you really wanna, if you really wanna get all the oil out of the engine, or most of it, what you can do is, there's 2 ways, but there's always a better way. You know, the classic idle the car, let the engine warm up, and then do the oil change right away. Because the oil, when it's hot, it's more flexible, you know what I'm saying? So it drains faster, and most of it becomes kind of like almost like water though. So in that state of the oil, you can drain most of it. You know what I'm saying? The other way, the better way, is when you pour some diesel in the engine inside. Where you pour the oil, pour some diesel right there, okay? And let the car idle for a minute. You know what I'm saying? For a minute, and then drain the oil. And right there, most of it's gonna come out. Most of the oil is gonna come out. All right. Now you know. Yeah, see, cause I don't know. I just feel like I gotta tell you this. Know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna let it drain, because in the meanwhile, I'm gonna do the oil filter. The oil filter is not that difficult, as you can see. Okay, so let's do the oil filter. I don't think I have a good angle. But you know what? I'm just gonna put the oil drain plug back, because I don't want to get my. Let's just put the oil drain plug back. Most of the oil is out. Okay. Tighten and snug it with the 14 millimeter. Yeah, all right. Whoa. What happened here? Oh, I thought my ratchet broke. Okay. Yeah, all right. Now we're gonna do the oil filter. Okay, here I'm just gonna use this. It's kind of like a clamp or something. You've seen it before. If I have a space. If you don't have a space, then you gotta use the other one. The clamp. The clamp, the grapple. Whatever you want to call it. Just like that. Alright. This one is easy though. No biggie. Okay. That's pretty much it with that. Be careful though, because be careful when the engine is hot, you know what I'm saying? This is my photo. You see the vibes. Now I'm just gonna wipe where the oil filter sits. Okay. And put the new oil filter. In this case, I'm gonna use the 61394 by Parts Master. Okay. You've seen this brand in my previous videos. No biggie. Turn it to the right. That's how you get it tight. Once I tie by hand this oil filter, you don't want to do it with tools though, because you don't want to damage the oil filter. You might penetrate the oil filter, and you know it's gonna start leaking, gonna create bigger problems for the engine and all that. Just by hand, all right? That's good enough. I'm gonna put the cover back, and let's pour the new. Now here's what it tells you what type of oil it needs. 0W16. That's what we're gonna do. All right. Yes, sir. Gravel funnel. So this 2.5 2019 RAV4 Toyota, it takes 4.8. Let me get this straight. Should be good. Gucci. All right. 4.8. All right. W16. Which is a finer oil, type of oil, know what I'm saying? Pretty much. I want to give shout outs to everybody. Shout outs to the whole planet, the subscribers, the viewers, the haters. How you doing, hater? I love you too. Everybody in the whole world. You know, Croatia, Ukraine, France, Italy, Germany, Japan, South Korea, China, Thailand, Iran, Africa, the whole continent, you know what I'm saying? Peru, Colombia, Brazil, Venezuela, Chile, Argentina. Everybody. Cuba, Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic. Everybody, I hope everything is going absolutely great with whatever you're doing. You know the vibes. I'm gonna start the car and let it run for a minute. Okay, let's see. This is a push start. I have my stick though. I'm not gonna get all the way in the car though. I have my stick. This is stick right here. You know, I develop certain types of techniques. You know what I'm saying? It's not that I'm lazy, it's just that I can. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna let it run for a minute and we go from there. The car has been running for more than a minute, maybe 2-3 minutes, which is good, you know what I'm saying? You let the oil go through the whole system, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna shut it down and check the oil level. So come with me. Alright. It's around here. Which is alright though. Around there. It's all good. Alright. A poor 5, so it's 4.8, alright? It's not gonna hurt the engine, it's all good. So, I'm gonna close all this, make sure everything is Gucci, and show you how to reset the oil life. Alright, let's get it. Alright. There's two ways. Or you start the car, or you just like right that it's dead. Alright, you just press it twice. 1, 2. You see all the lights coming out. We're gonna use this guy, okay? That and this and this, not this, okay? You're gonna see the message, maintenance required. Press this to go back. The arrow, then you scroll to the right until you go to the gear, scroll down, go vehicle settings, press the OK button, press it and hold it, because if you just press it, it's not gonna go in, okay? So you gotta press it and hold it. Let it go. When you go in, scroll down, schedule maintenance, press OK, just press, now you can just press OK. Scroll up, reset data, yes, press OK. Schedule maintenance, reset complete. Alright. Press the arrow back. And that's it. That's how you reset the oil life in this baby. Alright, between 2019 and 2022, I want to say. If it's not, 2023, okay? So, there you go. Hope you like this video. Hope you enjoy, and you know how to support my work. Get your membership, subscribe, alright? Get your subscription, know what I'm saying? Like the video, share the video, and the feedback, put it in the comment box, alright? Whatever you want to say about this car, put it in the comment box, alright? Shout outs to everybody. I love you all. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the help. Thank you for everything you do for me, alright? And you know where to find me. I'm clocking out now. See you in the next one. Axtuo, Boom. Yes, sir. See you in the next one. Hala. Yeah.